See, that's with the on time up a little bit. Those fatter arcs. This variac has like a ringing sound to it when it's making that pulse. Just the way it's hitting that metal enclosure. Yeah, but every now and then you get some pretty long ones. So, just based off that, I'm just going to go ahead and say that I can tell when I get to about 200 volts. Yeah, I think that thing is going to look pretty nice. So if I go over 200, I don't know. I would imagine I could be hitting the ceiling if I can manage it. So, all right. So I got the battery charged here. Really what I need to do is add a legit snubber to that bridge. Also, I don't know, maybe some TVS diode, something like that, phase lead, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So, all right. Slow that down a little. So again, just gonna try to get them a little thicker like that. Crank it up. Back it down just a little. And thicker arcs. Oh, there goes the inverter. Well, it wanted to crap out. So I started to reach the current that little guy could push. That little cheap inverter's not doing a bad job, though, to be honest. Hear that little fan inside of it working down there. Yeah, still so far so good. Didn't pop. I really could, with that bridge, probably really increase the BPS, but obviously the little inverter would crap out. But I really don't need to run it from mains, to be honest, at the lower BPS, so that's pretty cool. Probably will want to make sure that I get that bridge finished up before I go any higher than that. That's not bad. That's pretty impressive. Regular secondary feedback, SSTC kind of deal, looks pretty good.